Chemotherapy is a type of cancer treatment designed to kill malignant or cancerous cells or slow their growth. Cancer cells grow and multiply quickly. Chemotherapy medicines work by targeting fast-dividing cells and breaking down the mechanisms in the cells that are responsible for growth. This process is designed to stop the cells from making copies and spreading in the body. If your doctor prescribes chemotherapy, the treatment could be given to you in a number of ways, depending on your type of cancer. You may receive the chemo drugs through a pill, an IV drip, or even an injection. As the drugs are delivered, their hunt begins for fast-growing cells. However, as effective as these drugs may be in stopping cancer cells from growing in the body, the treatments can also damage healthy cells in the process. This is because some healthy cells also divide rapidly, like cells found in bone marrow, the digestive tract, and hair follicles, and chemotherapy drugs cannot tell the difference between fast-dividing healthy cells and cancerous cells. That's why when healthy cells are damaged during chemotherapy, it can cause side effects like nausea, fatigue, or hair loss. But remember, our bodies all respond differently to medication, and side effects are not the same for everyone. There are many types of chemotherapy drugs, each with its own unique ability to destroy cancer cells. As a result, side effects are different for each person and depend on the type of chemotherapy medicine you're given. Your cancer care team can help you better understand side effects and even prepare for them ahead of time. For example, if the chemotherapy prescribed to you is known to cause nausea, headaches, or even muscle pain, your doctor may prescribe certain medications ahead of your scheduled chemotherapy. If you're experiencing taste problems, weight loss, or weight gain, your doctor may suggest working with a dietitian to create a nutrition plan. Many of these chemotherapy-related side effects may be managed and sometimes prevented, so talk to your care team about developing an action plan tailored to your needs, and communicate openly and honestly if and when side effects develop.